So in this video we'll be talking about the events app. So to access the events app, you click on home menu, then you will scroll to events. This is events. So the event shows the current events in the system. As you can see here, there is new, there is booked, there is announced, there is ended. So currently there are two ended events, two events that ended. There's cancelled and there's staged. So based on the event, if you create a new event, it will come under the new. Then if it's booked, it's come under booked. Announced, it will come under announced. Once event has ended, it comes under ended. So this ended event, they have gone through all these phases, all these stages or processes. So if it's cancelled, it comes under cancelled. So currently there are no cancelled events. So this is being viewed in the Kanban format. Okay, you can also view it in the list format and graphically based on how visual you want to visualize it. And you can also search for events as well. So this is event platforms. This is event platform, and to create an event, you simply click on new. Click on new, then you can write the name of an event and all the details concerning an event here. So once you click on new, you can click on new. Once it's booked, it move here. Once it's announced, it move here. Ended, it move here. So this is the stages where your event you have to go through. So this is how to create an event. So let's go back. So another important thing is, once your event is being created, always click on save it manually. Okay, so let's go back to the event. So this is basically the platform of how the event looks like. So you only create events once it is been assigned to you, or you've been told or instructed to create events, either from your manager or from your superiors. So this is the platform of the event. So after watching this video, you can go to the Odoo system, and click on events and play around it to properly understand it. So this is it for the event app.